welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another house tour video because my house has changed significantly since my last one, so I thought I would show you guys what's going on. If you guys follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I've been getting lots of requests to show you how I have been redecorating. So this is my living room now. The couch is different. There's lots of new furniture pieces in here. We're going towards more Art Deco, so slowly but surely there's still a lot of mid-century stuff in here. But this is going to be Art Deco when we are finished with it. It's not done yet, but I thought I would show you the beauty of it. This is my favorite lamp. It actually moves. Never mind all of my makeup right here. This is sort of the piece de resistance. It used to be in my bedroom if you watched the last one. I don't even know if I put my bedroom in the last one, but this is probably my favorite piece in the entire house, which is why it is in the center now. And this is our new dining room. So we've gone sort of dark, apothecary, gothy, kind of deco-y, but a little bit older than that. We painted the walls red, which was really scary, but I think it actually looks bigger in here. And we also painted all of the trim gold, which was time consuming. Never mind all of my clothes. This is all of my Etsy and Poshmark stock, and my wedding dress that is for sale. If anyone wants to buy a wedding dress, it's for sale. This is my bar, our bar, that my loving boyfriend has restored. It was white when we bought it, and it was horrible and hideous, and he restored the whole outside of it. And it has this whole beautiful inside that was untouched and glorious. So we just put up some cool religious-y stuff on the walls, and over on this side is the more sort of apothecary, creepy, weird stuff. The back room still is just storage, so you're not going to be able to see back there, and my kitchen is a mess, so you're also not going to be able to see in there. But let's go to the kitchen. I mean, the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty unextraordinary. Last time you guys probably had a different shower curtain. Now I just have a few other little pieces on the walls. My bathroom is so small, it's not a very exciting part of my house. This is probably my favorite part of the house. This is my closet slash Jimmy's game office space. So he is amazing, and making noise behind the camera. He's amazing and built me this whole rack for all of my vintage dresses. So now I actually have a legit place for my vintage dresses. I can move them around and it doesn't fall over like my old hanger did, and I have my dresser here, and he has all of his man stuff. I have some shoes and accessories. Everything is way more organized in here if you guys saw it before. I also have all of my makeup. This is my collection of all of the stuff I get from companies. It's semi-organized. I could probably organize it a little bit better. That's where all that goes. More shoes there. There's actually another shoe rack in the corner that I have not even put up yet. So this is where I do all of my shipping, my dressing, all of the behind the scenes Cherry Dollface stuff happens here. This is my Sweet Lucero poster with a mustache on it. That makes me laugh every time I walk by it. This is where the magic happens. I know the light in here is really bad. I tried to get it from every angle to figure out what the best way for light was. I don't know if that makes it better, maybe not. I have a ceiling fan in here now because Jimmy's really crafty, and I'm very excited about that. This room isn't crazy exciting, but my most favorite part is this. Get yourself a crafty boyfriend. It will change your life. He made this for me. It's just a cork board where I can stick all of my earrings. It's amazing. And then this is just a little wire where I can put all of my clip-ons, which is really, really, really nice. I know a lot of girls keep all of their earrings in boxes and jewelry boxes, and it's hard to kind of see what you're working with. So with this, I can just pick what I want. Yes, it's very exciting. Another exciting and scary thing that has just happened in my life is I have a TV in my room now, which I never had before, ever in my life. Jimmy brought it with him when he moved in, and at first I was hesitant, but now I'm a believer. But sometimes it still annoys me. That's okay. More jewelry, more bracelets, my humidifier, which is very important to keep your skin young forever, my laundry, never mind this. I think that's it. That's my entire house. So hopefully you guys like this house tour. If you want to see tours or more close-ups of more collections of mine, please let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.